Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Phil. If you've been watching the previous series of videos that I've been making, we've been working our way towards building a factor-based portfolio using a low-cost broker. If factor-based investing means nothing to you, then please check out the other video that's being highlighted up above, and then come back and watch this video again, and hopefully it'll give you a better idea of what's going on. We're at an exciting stage now. We've screened all of our stocks, we've allocated them and worked out how many we need to buy. So now it's time to purchase and to become an investor. So let's crack on with it. Okay, so here I am on the home screen of the Freetrade Basic ISA. You can see it's an ISA here, look, I'm in my ISA account. And I've been able to fund that with £20,000. I appreciate not everybody's able to do that, and I appreciate how fortunate I am to be able to do that. For today's exercise, I'm going to use £1,000 of that to invest in the stocks that we've selected, because I think that's probably what some of you might be doing too. You might be able to pull together £1,000. If you've got more, then again, just adjust the funds available in the spreadsheet and allocate some more if you want. It could be that you don't have to put all of your money straight in now. It could be that in 3 months' time you run this process again with more funds added. Okay, so don't be in a massive rush to force your money into the stock market. You can drip it in over time. Okay, so I'm going to start by going to the Discover page, and the Discover tab down here allows you to search for stocks. So I'm going to tap that now. And what I'm going to do is go down through the stocks and try and buy them. So I'm going to start with Rio Tinto, and the first one at the ticker for Rio Tinto is Rio. So I'm searching for it, and there it is. You can see that. Given the option to buy. Now, when you come to this screen, what you can do is put in how much you want to spend, £50. If you look here, it's saying number of estimated shares you'll get with £50 is 0, and we already know that because we saw that in the spreadsheet. It was highlighted. So because we're looking to spend about £56.87, I'm going to put in £57. Still not enough. The latest price here is £56.72, so it's gone up a little bit. So we're going to have to spend a bit more if we want to buy this stock. If it goes beyond what you're comfortable with, then go back to your original stock selection, take Rio Tinto out, and pick the next one down in the list. It'll still have a really high stock rank, it'll be fine. So what happens if I put £59 in? Suddenly I'm able to buy one share. So we're good to go now that I'm spending £59. The problem is that's going to adjust our overall balance of what we're buying. So we need to keep an eye on that. So I'm going to review the order. And here you can see it says how much I'm prepared to spend, the latest price, what £59 maximum would buy me, just one stock. There's 28 pence worth of stamp duty at 0.5%. And actually the total cost I'm going to spend is £57. So confirm that buy now. It's asking me for my biometrics, and it's sending my order. Done. Buy complete. Let's highlight some stuff. Total cost was £56.98, so we got it a little bit cheaper. We bought one share at £56.70. Stamp duty was 28 pence, and best bit of all, no commission. So take that figure now and update your spreadsheet. So the total cost that we paid was £56.98. Let me just get the formatting right on here. If ever the formatting's wrong, just copy a section there, use the format roller here, and just paint over the top, and it'll turn it into pounds, look. So we've paid 3 pence more than we were expecting to, and we just need to keep a little eye on that, okay? So let's buy our next one. I'm going to search for Bellway, BWY. So here I'm with Bellway. current price is 36.31, 1 pence more expensive than we had on our spreadsheet. And we're expecting to spend about £36.48. So I'm going to say £40 available. And again, it's given us the latest quote. It's telling us we're going to get one stock, which is what we expect from our spreadsheet. So we're going to review the order. Total cost estimate at the bottom, 36.49, 1 pence more than we were expecting. It's going to ask for my biometrics every time. It's a good security feature. Make sure your kids don't order stock for you by accident. So there we go. We spent £36.51. So again, I'm going to update the spreadsheet. So you're starting to get the idea now. I'm going to carry on and go through the rest of the list, and I'll speed it up so you don't have to suffer the pain of me typing away. Okay, so here's an example of where you need to be a bit careful to make sure you're picking the right stock. The ticker is EVR, and there's two companies both with the same ticker EVR, but notice one has a dollar in front. It's an American stock called Evercool, and the other one is Everand Steel, which has a pound sign in front. So make sure you choose the right one. Now I'm just going to add a thing down here, and that's going to equal the sum, because I want to get an idea as I'm going along how I'm doing in terms of price, in terms of how much money I've got left, because it could be that I can adjust the last few shares just to make most use of my funds. Kingfisher Group is next. So I'm going to buy ITV first, because I've already increased that one. £53 is the most I'm prepared to spend. £52.50 is probably better. £52.05. So I have got about £51.50, £51.70. So let's see how many of BT we can get. So not bad, £1.20 out. Okay, so we're done. That's it. So the portfolio feature here isn't great. So what I am going to do is I am going to enter this data in terms of how much we bought of each share into another portfolio tracking tool, and I'm going to publish that. Okay, so here we are inside Stockopedia's portfolio tracker, and the first thing I've done is I've entered all of the transactions for all of the purchases that we've done today, and I've included a deposit of £1,000 as well. Did that on the 11th of April. All the transactions took place on the 12th, and today is the 13th. So if we go back to the overview now, we get a graph showing the performance of the portfolio over time compared to the FTSE All-Share. Obviously it hasn't done very much because there's only been a couple of days worth of activity. Top right, we've got the current valuation of £1,000 and the percentage gain. Currently we've got £1.16 available in cash, and practically 100% of our funds are invested. As we scroll down, we'll see the positions of each one, and I'm going to go to the holdings page. So this shows us the positions for each of our holdings. The bid price is the price you get if you try to sell the stock at this particular moment. The percentage change is the percentage change today, and then there's a change today in pounds, and then the percentage change over 1 week. The volume column is the number of shares traded today, and the average volume over 3 months is the number of shares traded on a particular day over the last 3 months. Currently we own 10 shares of the Royal Mail Group. It cost us £49.69, and the current value today is £50.97. So overall we've made a gain of 2.5%, and in money terms that's £1.28. The columns realised gain percentage and realised gain will be filled in once we've come and sold any of our stocks. And you can see that this is replicated for each and every stock. So our current leader at the moment is Royal Mail Group, up 2.5%. And at the bottom, the share that's lagging the most is Jupiter, which is down 3.7%, or £1.82. So that's it. Wasn't that complicated at all, was it? Now you can call yourself a fully fledged investor. Maybe you need to go out and buy a bowler hat or a pinstripe suit or something. It's really straightforward. Hopefully I've shown you that it can take less than an hour. And if you're doing that just once a year, annual rebalancing, that's 1 hour a year. And if you're doing quarterly balancing, that's 4 hours a year. It's not a great strain, is it? Something that you could teach your kids to do. It's a fantastic skill to learn. I really hope that you have lots of success with this strategy. Please let me know of how you get on in the comments below. I'm really excited to find out how it makes a difference to your lives. If you love the content I'm providing, please like the video below. It really helps me get some traction with the YouTube algorithms. It would be great if you could subscribe to the channel so that you know that there's future videos coming out. You'll be notified straight away. As always, check out any of the referral options if you're interested in Stockopedia, or if you're interested in a Freetrade account, there's opportunities down below which will give you some discounts. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's been helpful, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.